today. I think you'll stay out here for a couple hours.
A couple hours later.
Oh my god, a supercell. I better get inside and see the news. Now let's see the news.
Breaking news. Go Animate City is being ripped to shreds by a Fazbear Tornado. Take cover now.
No. Not Go Animate City. I need to see how close the tornado is. Gafty boy for dart chnam kvad gag hey I think I broke my leg.
Hello Fazbear Tornado, how are you feeling?
Broken and torn apart.
Well, I'm sorry, but I have some bad news.
And what's that?
When you got thrown from the tornado, the impact shattered your knee. By the way, you have a visitor.
Hey Fazbear Tornado.
Hey Alexis.
So you shattered your knee.
Yep. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. And make sure to subscribe to Lexx's. Bye guys.